In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose who can comment on your Facebook posts. Maybe after creating a content on Facebook, you want to choose who can comment on your Facebook posts. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your homepage, when you scroll up a bit until you locate what's in your mind, then proceed to tap on this box. Then you can continue to tap any message that you want to share it. In this case, I'm going to type something like hello. Then I have a list of options to tweak here. Currently, it's set to public, but I can also tweak it a bit by tapping on this arrow beside the public. So with regard to the audience, I can proceed to either select public, friends except only me, or I can also proceed to tap on see more. So once I select any of them, this means this post will only be shared to this class of people and they have the right to comment on my posts. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.